Hello everyone, I'm Arnaud, CEO of WondaVR. WondaVR is an all-in-one platform to create learning and marketing presentation. Every year in the USA, 70 billion are spent on corporate training alone. The hard truth is that 90% of what you learn in lectures or reading materials is forgotten within a month. VR can change that. Research from Stanford University has shown that retention rate can go up as 7 times higher than in VR than when using other like traditional medium or reading materials or lectures. The problem is that any VR content is not only expensive to create today, but it's very difficult to build, to publish, to track user metrics. Is a complicated stuff. There's so many tools you need to use, you need to learn how to use, and to interconnect with each other. So we designed WondaVR as an all-in-one solution from creation to publishing to delivery. It all starts with a storyboard. That's where you import all your media, 3D objects, 2D images, videos, and then you can start creating your own media interface, your own menu interface, your quizzes, and add hotspots and contextual information that the user can gaze at and trigger, like user gaze interactions. You can preview in your web browser instantly and see the end result. At any time, when you are happy with it, you can just synchronize it in the cloud and push it on our servers. It takes a few seconds. So you can share it on any platform, Gmail, Slack, for example, with a simple URL that your user is going to be able to access to open the experience with their mobile app, with or without a VR headset. That's it for it. So in many ways, WondaVR is meant to be interconnected with all the tools that professionals love to use, and so that they can deploy their VR experiences more easily across their organizations. And there are simply no other tools like this that integrates with all these other platforms. The other thing is that we made it very affordable. It started at $49 a month, and we offer setup and a special SDK integration to meet enterprise needs. We started a year ago with preliminary version of Wonda, and we've had hundreds of experiences made with WondaVR by our creators working for telecom companies, making training tools for sales agents to put them into real-life situations. But also like in healthcare, for hospitals, like willing to get their nurses better trained before they complete like a complex surgery operation or participate in that. We're talking also about high schools that want to make virtual visits, virtual field trips for their students every week instead of every year or only once a year. And we're talking also about companies like Airbus who want to make premium marketing experiences and put their clients, an enterprise client in this case, in first-person experiences of flying with their new line of helicopters or safety helicopters. So as of today, we have 3,500 registered users, of which 250 are paying. They range from communication and training professionals working for small businesses, but also for Fortune 1,000 companies such as Nokia, eBay, Airbus, or Kingfisher. And they are using Wonda to explore and create VR presentations in a couple of hours instead of weeks or months. And that's a game changer for them. Sorry. So we want to grow. We want to grow from 250 businesses using Wonda to 2,500 and grow our revenue from 150,000 a year to 1.5 million. We're looking for $1 million in seed fund for our 18 months runway to boost our product engineering, to grow our brand awareness, participating to some event, and set up our marketing automation strategy. We are a 5-people team based in Paris and New York. We have 5 years of experience working together and successful track record, like working on software design, UX design, and content production for working with top brands like this. But most of all, we have a common belief that VR is not only great and can be very powerful to make us more productive, but also to make us understand better the world around us. And we want to do that together. Thank you.